And where do you guys live?
in Claremont.
Claremont, good deal. And how did you find us?
I found it up online,
Okay.
and I was looking for something to do with grills. I was getting tired of buying the big box stores grills, and having to replace them every 2 or 3 years, and wanted to get something that was better, and decided I was going to go talk to Jason and see what happened.
Okay. And would you use us again?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. I mean,
Would
great
you-
service, good pricing, and I really like the product.
So it took a little while to get the product, right? It was back ordered.
Yeah, it's with COVID and everything, you kind of expected that, but they really did a good job of taking care of us and making sure that we knew what was going on and communicated well, and really made sure that we know what was happening.
Good deal. And would you refer us to somebody else?
Absolutely.
So you've cooked on it once,
Yep.
and what's your feeling versus the big box store grill versus this stuff? Is it worth the extra money, do you think?
Oh, absolutely. The big box grill, I was lucky if I could get it up to 350 degrees, and it took 15-20 minutes to get there. And with this one, it just in 5 minutes it's over 500 degrees, and it cooks well. It's got the briquettes in it, and I was surprised at how well it cooked.
Good deal. Cool. Thanks.
You're welcome.